Minister Narendra Modi is on a visit to Goa on Tuesday. He inaugurated the Coastal Survival Center of the Oil and Natural Gas Corporation here. Training will be provided here for maritime rescue operations, benefiting 10 to 15,000 people annually. Following this, the PM inaugurated India Energy Week 2024. This program will run until February 9th. PM Modi stated that India is the world's third largest energy consumer. India is not only meeting its own needs but also shaping the direction of global development. We have committed to spending 10,000 crores on infrastructure development in this fiscal year. PM Modi will be a part of the Developed India, Developed Goa 2047 program. He will inaugurate and lay the foundation stones for projects worth more than 1,330 crores here. Additionally, appointment letters for 1,930 new government jobs in various departments will also be handed out during the job fair. Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri said, under PM Modi's leadership, India has become a growth center for the global economy. In the last 2 years, India Energy Week has gained significant prominence worldwide. This year, we have seen a 30% increase in exhibitors with 900 exhibitors participating. We are hosting 35,000 people, 350 companies and ministers from several countries. Over the next 4 days, 400 global speakers will share their insights in various sessions at India Energy Week.
दुनिया के एक्सपर्ट्स ये मान रहे हैं कि भारत जल्द ही विश्व की तीसरी सबसे बड़ी अर्थव्यवस्था बनेगा। भारत की इस ग्रोथ स्टोरी में एनर्जी सेक्टर की बहुत महत्वपूर्ण, स्वाभाविक रूप से उसका महात्म्य बढ़ रहा है। साथियों, भारत पहले ही विश्व का तीसरा सबसे बड़ा एनर्जी कंज्यूमर है। भारत विश्व का तीसरा सबसे बड़ा ऑयल कंज्यूमर और तीसरा सबसे बड़ा एलपीजी कंज्यूमर भी है। हम दुनिया के चौथे सबसे बड़े एलएनजी इंपोर्टर, चौथे सबसे बड़े रिफाइनर और चौथे सबसे बड़े ऑटोमोबाइल मार्केट वाले देश हैं। आज भारत में 2 पहिया और 4 पहिया वाहनों की बिक्री के नए रिकॉर्ड बन रहे हैं। भारत में ईवीज की लगातार डिमांड बढ़ रही है। ऐसे अनुमान भी है कि भारत की प्राइमरी एनर्जी डिमांड 2045 तक दोगुनी हो जाएगी।
Excellencies, we are meeting at a crucial juncture in the global economy. Amongst the multiple crises that we and the world faces, one of the major challenges in the energy sector is to simultaneously address issues of availability, affordability, and sustainability whilst prioritizing energy security. Honorable Prime Minister, under your leadership, India is becoming the growth center for the global economy and the demand center for global energy. Reflecting this position, in just 2 years, the India Energy Week has become a prominent date on the global energy calendar. This year, we have 900 exhibitors, which is 30% more than last year. And we will be hosting over 35,000 attendees, 350 global companies, ministers from different governments, country pavilions. All this is now part of the India Energy Week platform.
न्यू वीडियोस की अपडेट पाने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें इंडियन न्यूज को और बेल आइकन को दबाएं।
ये है इंदू ब्रॉडकास्टिंग प्राइवेट लिमिटेड और आप देख रहे हैं इंडियन न्यूज, हर पल, हर क्षण, हर सच।